Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the wallpaper section. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from Live Wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or Wallpapers and Style, and here we've got some defaultly installed static options from which we can choose. And I will pick this album, this option, so let me tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen. Under it, we've got some more options which we can customize. And as you can see here, we've got the wallpaper colors, which is a cool option. Just a quick disclaimer, here, thanks to this, you can set the kind of theme colors based on the wallpaper which you will apply. Of course, you can pick basic colors or the wallpaper colors, so your device will simply take the colors from the wallpaper. But getting back to the to actually changing the wallpaper, let's tap on this option right here. And as you can see, again, we've got some albums. So basically, we've got the same albums we had in the previous section. So we've got My Photos, some the gallery, Live Wallpapers, or on-device wallpapers. And here we've got the static ones. I prefer to pick the static option. And as you can see here, we've got some pretty options from which we can choose. If you'd like to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, simply tap on it. And as you can see here, you can check the preview of the home screen here by tapping on the lock screen. You can check how it will look like on the lock screen. Of course, you can see it kind of on the full screen just by tapping on this arrows icon. You can hide it, show or hide the UI preview. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it on the lock screen, home screen, depending on which option you will currently be, or home and lock screens, so both. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it and wait a second. And as you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied successfully, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the home page. So this is how it looks like. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.